Right, and this time we're going to factorise something a bit more complicated. So we've got 12a squared b cubed minus 8a squared b squared. So we've got 12a squared b cubed minus 8a squared b squared. So 12 as its prime factors is going to be 2 times 2 times 3. A squared we write as a times a, and b cubed we write as b times b times b, minus 8, which is minus 2 times 2 times 2. A squared we write as a times a, and b squared we write as b times b. Right, pairing up pair common factors, so pair a 2 and a 2, a 2 and a 2. There aren't any 3's in common, so we've got an A and an A and an A, and then we've got a B and a B, and a B and a B. So this is going to be equal to 4A squared, B squared. Then we introduce a bracket, and what we've got left here, we've got 3B, and then we've got minus 2 here. So this 12a squared b cubed minus 8a squared b squared becomes 4a squared b squared brackets 3b minus 2. So this has been a video to show you how to factorise a simple expression. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.